Here we have a Tesla Model 3 with the entire car protected with ClearGuard Nano paint protection film, the most hydrophobic and clearest film in the industry. What I want to highlight today is the difference between pre-cut kits and custom pre-cut kits versus our signature installations. Let's take a look at this front bumper, for instance. If this was a pre-cut kit, you will have a seam right along here that joins together. You also have another seam right about here that joins together. Now when the car is clean, those seams aren't quite as obvious. But when the car gets dirty, you will get dirt and wax buildup in those areas, and it can become quite unsightly, especially if you're pretty picky about your car. What you see here with our signature installation, custom installation, is that the edges are as close as possible to all the panel edges. There's a cutout around the Parktronics and it will not affect the parking sensors. With our signature installation, we could also install the highest compound curvature without the distortions that you would get with lesser installation and lesser installers. If you take a look at the gloss, that's a major difference between ClearGuard Nano and the other films out there as well.